Bose Sport Earbuds. Pros. Bass forward, bright, balanced sound signature. Secure fit ideal for exercise. Cons. Bulky charging case inexplicably has meager extra battery life. Clumsy control layout. Merely modest water resistance rating. No EQ in-app. Design. The Sport earpieces are smaller than the Quiet Comfort earpieces. Side by side the difference in size is notable, but that doesn't mean the Sport earbuds themselves aren't a bit bulky. The earphones are available in black, blue, or gray/yellow models, and they ship with a charging case that's also on the bigger side. The in-ear fit is quite secure, as the earpieces use combination ear tips and earphones that twist into place and stay put. 3 silicone pairs in small, medium, and large sizes are included, and the fit feels lightweight. Like the more expensive QC earbuds, the Sport earbuds have a modest IPX4 rating for water resistance. They can handle light splashes, light rain, and being wiped down with a damp cloth, but don't submerge them or expose them to faucet pressure. The IPX4 rating is forgivable on the QC earbuds and the $250 Apple AirPods Pro, as they aren't sports-focused models, and they offer quality ANC, active noise cancellation. But IPX4 for in-ears specifically for exercise is a surprisingly underwhelming rating. IPX7 is typically the highest rating you'll see for consumer products. There are plenty of IPX7 true wireless models out there, like the $170 JBL U8 True Wireless Flash X and the $180 Jaybird Vista, two exercise-focused favorites. And lest you think that it's a cost-cutting design measure to not go the waterproof route, consider that the $35 Treebit FlyBuds 3 also have an IPX7 rating. The on-ear controls are also a weak spot of the design. The panels register touch just fine, but the layout of controls is counterintuitive. Tapping the right panel twice controls playback or answer/ends call, but why not a single tap like on most competing models? A double tap on the left ear skips forward a track, or it can be switched in the settings menu to give you a battery readout. But why is one double tap for playback and another for track navigation? Why is there no track backward? And what about volume controls? Tapping and holding on the right earpiece's panel summons your device's voice assistant, or if you have an incoming call, the same tap and hold will decline it. There is no tap and hold function for the left ear. Got that? I know, it's needlessly confusing. The charging case has a button that flips the lid open, an LED readout on the front face for battery info, and a USB-C port on its rear panel for the included charging cable. Interestingly, the Bluetooth pairing button is also located inside the case, rather than on the earphones. This brings us to another design issue. Usually bulky charging case mean more battery life. Bose estimates the Sport earbuds' battery life to be roughly 5 hours, with only an additional 10 hours in the charging case, but your results will vary with your volume levels. The 5-hour estimate is more or less par for the course, but a mere 10 extra hours in the case is disappointing when the aforementioned JBL U8 True Wireless Flash offer an extra 40 hours in the case. The Bose Music app for Android and iOS is a one-size-fits-all app for several Bose audio products, and it works seamlessly with the Sport earbuds. The app immediately recognizes the earphones and automatically completes the pairing and activation process for you. Once this is finished, the app walks you through how to achieve the best fit, and offers information on using the touch-sensitive controls. In the settings menu, you can adjust useful basics like disabling autoplay so the music doesn't immediately start playing when you put the earpieces in. You can create shortcuts, too, though this is a cleverly reworded way of saying you have one command that can be assigned to either hear battery level or skip track forward. The app lacks any exercise-focused features, and has no adjustable EQ, both missed opportunities to offer more user control and functionality. Performance. The Sport earbuds are compatible with Bluetooth 5.1, and support AAC and SBC Bluetooth codecs. The drivers deliver rich, powerful bass response matched with bright highs. On tracks with intense sub-bass content, like the Knife's Silent Shout, the earphones deliver a solid low-frequency push that doesn't distort at top volumes and still feels full at moderate levels. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.